For Africa, we government, we see they talk about building of road, build flyover, build gutter. Person go do small work like this, they go clap for them. Now money, we use they do those things. We go see they clap for them, they yell. You go they enter jeep, they fly up, they do anyhow, say you be governor, you be president, you be local government chairman for public money. Nothing what we no go hear for inside this country. You see, for America, you know, say Africa, we get some word like our own, will be third world. And third world, they behave like 200 word with the backward. For inside America, the US Navy, they don't build indoor ocean. When we say the gallon of water when they use do that ocean, now approximately 12 million gallon when they use build secret indoor ocean, where they test all the ship. You know, say ship, now warship like this, where they don't build, and even their own private ship, where be military ship, now where they test them, check out whether in them they okay, whether you don't they fit to go fight before they go take them, go inside the natural ocean, when they meet war front. For those of you where we say they no go believe am, or you muna watch am first, look una watch am.
It's 240 feet wide, 360 feet long, and holds over 12 million gallons of water. This is the MASC, the Maneuvering and Seakeeping Basin at the Naval Surface Warfare Center at Carderock. It's one of the largest indoor oceans in the world, making the MASC the most advanced test facility of its kind. So why does the Navy need an indoor ocean? The truth ripples in these dimly lit, somewhat mysterious waters.
So this wave pool is called the MASC, the Maneuvering and Seakeeping Basin. And so in this pool has the capability to simulate ocean waves. And so what we actually do is we'll put a scale model of a Navy vessel, whether it's been built already or it's something that they're planning to build, and actually test it before they actually build the real ship. So that way the Navy can then get some feedback on what design they're using and make any adjustments that they might need.
How does it work?
How does it work? So you've got 216 individual finger-like paddles, and they push on the water like this, like piano keys. And what it does is then it creates different kinds of ocean waves. There are many different kinds of waves. Waves are different in different parts of the world, and they're different depending on whether you're close to shore or away from shore, whether you're in a storm or not. And we actually have the capability of programming all those different kinds of waves to test in.
I have to understand that as long as we've been building ships and boats, we really have only started understanding how they really work in about the last 100 years. And we're still not there yet. So being able to do scale model testing of ships, especially now that we're looking at trimarans and catamarans and surface effect craft, that sort of thing, with requirements for landing aircraft on it and AUVs and that sort of thing, we really need to understand how they operate. And this facility gives us that understanding, allows us to do scale model tests and really understand the ship before it goes to sea.
The kind of work that we do here helps us assess the capabilities of technologies that the Navy plans to build or plans to use. And so just as part of the entire product development cycle, we're kind of like at the early stages of testing those kinds of technologies. So for example, if there's a new kind of hull form, we can tell the Navy, hey, this hull form does really good in certain circumstances, but might not be so good in these circumstances. And from that point on, you need to adjust the way your machinery operates, or you may want to consider how your sailors might be reacting to the different kind of situations that we would test.
Una see wetin person use brain build 12 million gallon of water 9 days inside that indoor secret ocean where person build. Roofer, they like warehouse, they like house. All their ship, you see all their ship, then they test them there before they go carry and go inside the natural ocean. But here, we're going to talk about, I don't want to talk about our government, I don't want to talk about African government, African leaders, I don't want to talk about una matter don't tire me. We could go to the next news, job.